Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Zoho Project for employee satisfaction surveys. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Zoho Project account. If you don't have one, simply sign up. It's free for the first 15 days. This is important because Zoho Project is our main tool for creating and managing the survey. Now that we've done that, navigate to the Tasks and Milestones section. Here, you'll create a new task named Employee Satisfaction Survey. This helps us because it keeps us organized and ensures we don't forget to carry out the survey. Next up, you'll want to add some subtasks under this main task. These will be the individual questions for your survey. For instance, rate your overall job satisfaction, or do you feel valued in your role? The reason we do this is to break down our survey into manageable, measurable chunks. Now, assign these tasks to your team members. This is done by clicking on the Assign Task button and selecting the relevant team members. This ensures that everyone knows they're expected to complete the survey. Once your team members complete these tasks, you'll start receiving notifications. Now it's time to analyze the responses. Click on the Reports tab and select Task Reports. Here, you'll get an overview of the responses. This helps us because it gives us valuable insights about our employees' satisfaction levels. Now let me explain why this matters. Employee satisfaction surveys are crucial for identifying areas of improvement, boosting morale, and increasing productivity. So, taking the time to create and analyze these surveys in Zoho Project is well worth the effort. And there you have it. That's how to use Zoho Project for employee satisfaction surveys. Remember, the key is to keep your questions clear and concise and to review the responses regularly. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.